Hello guys, in this video we're going to quickly take a look at how to find the domain and range of relations. Okay, so relation is basically would be a connection between x and y. So x values would be listed first. So let's say you have 3, 2. So the first one is the x value, the second one is the y value. And so here is my relation. So let me just write that down. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and let me expand this right here. All right, so first we want to find the domain. So how do we find the domain? So what you're gonna look at is you're gonna look at just the x values. So for domain, you are basically listing all the x values. They do not have to be listed in any specific order. So you can list them in any order you want. So I'm gonna start with 3, just in the same order that it is here. So -2, 0. Okay, now what about the range? So for the range, we are going to list all the y values, right? So this is where, let's see, it's going to be this number, this number, this number, that one, and that one. So basically, we are listing them, and these curly brackets means what we call set builder notation. Basically, we're just saying that's a set builder, so making a set. So these are going to be 2, 4, -2, 1, 1. Okay, what I just did is I made a mistake. What is the mistake? So generally, you should not list a number more than once in any set. You can list them in any order, but then nothing can be repeated. So what I just made a mistake at is that I just included a number that twice, and I shouldn't have done that, right? So the correct answer is supposed to be 2, 4, -2, 1. So let me look at another example. So let's say I have a relation that looks like this. So I have, for example, 3, 2, then I have 3, 5, and then I have 3, 6, and then I have 2, um, I don't know, 2, how about 2, 6? Okay, so that's a relation. So what I want to do is again find the domain and the range. So for finding the domain, I'm only looking at the x values. So I'm looking at this number, this number, this number, this number. What I can see is that the 3 actually occurs 3 times, and 3 times is not good. So you don't want to list 3, 3, 3, and then a 2. So it's just only once, 3 and a 2. Okay, now let me find the range. For the range, I'm looking at all the y values, right? So this would be 2, 5, 6, and a 6. So I can see that 2 and 5 don't repeat, but 6 repeats, and however many times it repeats, you only list it one time. So that would be 6 right here. That would be the answer.